For nearly 2 decades, Canon's mid-range digital SLRs have been a solid landing spot for the photo enthusiast looking to step up to the next level, with video performance that makes them a great multimedia camera as well. I'm Rudy Winston with Canon USA, and today Canon introduces the EOS 90D, the latest in this versatile series. The Canon EOS 90D now reaches 32.5 million pixels and shoots up to 10 frames per second, with full AI servo AF during viewfinder shooting. This same optical viewfinder works beautifully with fast-moving subjects, making steady composition easy with no prolonged blackout between frames. Another DSLR benefit is battery life. A new metering system with 220,000 RGB pixels makes face detection AF possible when shooting through the viewfinder. The EOS 90D adds a separate 8-way multi-controller on its back, giving even more direct control to the serious photographer, especially for quickly moving any of its 45 AF points manually. Up to 27 of these AF points are available with f8 lenses. Live view and especially video are enhanced as well. Uncropped 4K video is now possible at up to 30 frames per second using the entire width of the image sensor. High frame rate recording at up to 120p is possible in Full HD. The EOS 90D's APS-C size CMOS image sensor continues to leverage dual pixel CMOS AF, giving it outstanding focus capabilities during both live view and video shooting. In fact, the EOS 90D now adds eye detect AF even in servo autofocus with moving subjects for live view and video. The EOS 90D has gained performance, shooting speed, and video capability above and beyond previous versions. More than ever, it's the ideal step-up camera for growing photo enthusiasts. For Canon USA, I'm Rudy Winston. Thanks for joining us.